In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of the laser on the Falcon 2 Pro S. The Falcon 2 Pro S is different from the Falcon 2 Pro, and unlike the Falcon 2 Pro, it does not have the little height adjusting knob. Instead, it has a motorized system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level it properly. The first thing you want to do is put in your material that you want to burn. I'm going to be using this 3mm piece of basswood. When you press the Z button on the machine, the whole head would move forward a little bit, and then it would come down, hit the machine, go up, and do that a few times, and after that's done, the height adjustment is complete. What you do is you hold this button down for about 3 seconds, and it does it. Process is done. It's at the correct height.